This is Code.org. I'm currently working on CS Fundamentals. This lesson is part of the Express course and part of Course D. In the Express course, it's lesson 15. In Course D, it's lesson 12. Until Loops in Maze, Puzzle 11. Look carefully at the code below. What will happen after you click Run? Keep in mind, as a teacher, I know this. When you click Run, your answer is submitted and you can't change it. What is it submitted to? Your teacher. They can easily see your answers. So make sure to think about this critically before you hit Run, because after we hit Run, you can't change your answer. It's locked. All right, when run, repeat until. So we're going to do something until we are at the sunflower. So over here. All right, what are we going to do first? Wall path ahead. Okay, I'll move forward. So if there's path ahead, I'm going to move forward. So wall path ahead, move forward. Yes, there's path ahead. I'll take one step right here. I hit the bottom of this and we loop it and check again now while I'm here. Wall path ahead. True, there's path ahead. Okay, true. Well, then I run this code. Do, move forward. And I move forward. Now I hit the bottom again, so I go back up here and check again. Wall path ahead. Well, is there path ahead? True. Yeah, there's path ahead. All right. Then what do? Move forward. All right. And then it's going to say true, move forward. True, move forward. True, move forward. Okay. And then, isn't this still a chunk of path? Yeah, it has to be. So is there path ahead right now? Yeah, there's a path. True, and I'll move forward. What? Well, then what? Okay, well, now I'm at the end, and so now I'm going to say path ahead, and the computer will say false. You're at the end, no path. Okay, so if it's false, I'm now done with the loop, and I can turn right. So I'll turn this way. I loop back around. Am I at the sunflower? No, false, not at the sunflower. So I'm going to keep going because I repeat until I'm at the sunflower. Wall path ahead. Well, I'm standing like this. There's no path ahead, so this is false. So I don't move forward, but I do turn right again. Oh, now I'm facing back the way I came. Okay, I hit the bottom of this, not at the sunflower. Now I'm going to move forward. Okay. And now I'm going to keep moving forward like we did before until the end of the path. I hit here. Okay, then it's false. We turn right. And if I'm facing this way is right. Okay, and then we repeat because I'm not at the sunflower. If I'm facing this way, there's no path there, so this is false. I don't move, but I turn right again, and now I'm facing this. I'm just going to go back and forth forever. Is that one of these? The zombie will make it, the zombie will pass. We'll pass the correct path, yeah, and go back and forth forever. Yeah, that's what's going to happen. Because I'm just going to hit the end of this. I'm never going to turn here. Let's test. Whoa. And this is an infinite loop, they call it in coding. Are they going to make it watch us? Are we going to have to watch it forever? Oh, do we have to hit reset? Is it not going to finish? It's kind of fun just watching. Let's see. Oh, okay. Awesome. I'm excited to use all that we've learned in the next lesson. Let's keep going.